How you do it? Is that it? Bleeping? Did I spell it? Did I miss a P?
You did it all wrong.
I missed a P.
It's like NASCAR.
Don't crash.
Whoa! America. Whoa! Potato sack race. Oh, look at that! A short course. You got your seatbelt on?
No.
You ready?
No.
Good.
Oh God, slow down.
You had one job.
Hey, good.
Who does that on the race course?
I was like, oh,
You call that a toe strap? This is a toe strap.
This just now happened. Hey, what's that say right there? America! Some inflatable toys. They don't know what they're doing. What's gonna happen?
I think nothing. I think it's just gonna stop.
I think it may like pop the back wheels off the ground.
You're gonna like what happens next.
Did he roll it? Hey Matt, are your feet wet? He just moved the CJ tarp and like an absolute waterfall of water went over his loafers. Woo! Oh, poor CJ. But the Comanche's badass. Come on. That rear's moving over. Whoa, 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 whoa. Super tight, Ted. Super tight. This is so much work. So much work to get a redneck contraption out. Yeah. Yeah. Now you know we got to put this damn thing back in there in like 10 minutes. That's the worst part. We need to get a strap and yank the CJ out of the way is what we need to do. Come on. Yeah, that's just a that's a Cherokee thing, what you're used to. Oh yeah? Yeah. Give it some gas, rev it up. Wake the neighbors. Close to the gas pedal. Yeehaw. So how long is it going to be before he rolls this one?
I can't see where I'm going. These windows are tiny.
Little bitty.
I need half doors already.
Yeah. Alright. We'll pull up here to the trailer and we'll do some bad news test spin. Look how close it already is to the tires of the fender. We're just going to end up chopping it all the way to the hood corner. It's going to be bad. Hopefully not. He took it out of four-wheel drive.
Apparently.
Just pull up. See how far you'll go. Back towards you a little bit. There you go. Keep going. I can drive all the way up on the flat with mine. Backing it on is when we'll really see.
Can't even tell if I'm about to flip over.
Whoa, easy. You're right there. That's it. The rear tire just pulled off the ground. Yep. So that's good. Let's look at this rear. We'll look at the rear stuff right here. Oh, look, the traditional spring rubbing the tire. The paint will be gone off that in a week.
That is all the way collapsed right there.
Yeah. All the way down. Springs touching. Yeah. The traditional coil springs rubbing the dang tire. So
That's good.
how's that good?
I know.
You ain't even gave me gas.
It's good to rub the paint off.
Yeah, it's good to rub the paint off. Let you know that they're used. Yeah, when we turn it around, that's when stuff will go crazy. Go ahead and pull it up.
Bump stuff on bump stuff.
Lead spring's not.
You got bump stuff on bump stuff there.
It's not putting any pressure on it right there. Oh, when he backs up, that's when we'll do that. He'll have it. That's when it'll really select.
Is that camera showing anything?
Yeah, look at that. That's freaking like, that should be almost, Greg will get out of the way. It'll be like, yeah, see, that's like a pretty looking shot right there.
Let's do a daylight out here. You guys want to stay till the morning? Have a sleepover.
The power should be out here any minute, but
Yeah.
we'll be singing Kumbaya together. That's fine. Let's go check that back. Shake that tire.
Sorry, it's off the ground.
Yeah, it's off the ground.
Maybe fit a piece of paper through there.
Yeah, I don't know.
But it's not collapsed all the way either.
Oh, he just ran over the bush. He's such a terrible driver. Alright, so seriously, he just about hit this tree right here just 2 seconds. Where is he going? I'm confused.
Drive down the road, no lights.
I guess he's going to go around the block. I guess. He can go out and raise hell and do a donut or something. Got him up there, Greg. Keep going back. Hey, turn it passenger and back up a little bit. Does it look good back there, Greg? Huh? There you go. That's good. Just back straight up now. Turn it again.
All the way.
Hitting that knot. Everything else looks pretty good. know on the trail that's probably going to hit up there. So, if you can come up if you can give yourself probably another 1.5 inches right here if you can.
Yeah, because those bump stops are still going to collapse.
But the inside looks really good, you know what I mean? Yeah. Shot it down there on the bump stop. Right there, that's right.
And then there was one. I got a whole list of things to do. Yet, I'm supposed to leave in the morning. It's 1:45 right now, so I got to get busy. My brain's not working very well. Oh, I want to put the front clip on here. This is how much room I need. So, let's see what's going to happen when I do that. Here it is. Alright. I shall return. I'm going to need to do some cutting. Hopefully it still looks like a Cherokee when I'm done. I gotta go get some sleep before I die.